Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Sagittarius, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. And I'll be sharing her link in the description below. You can contact her. She's a very good intuitive reader. So let's start the reading with these cards today for your general energies first. So we have Eight of Pentacles in reverse, Five of Swords in reverse, and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So today in your circumstances, Sagittarius, maybe you're trying really hard, putting in a lot of efforts, because there are circumstances you're facing, people are against you, maybe there is a lot of competition. And if you want success, you need a lot of focus and attention on what you are doing today. So you are a lot stressed, worried about something, and you are making tremendous efforts. You need to work really hard. But though you're working really hard, you do not see the returns, good returns, the expected returns. And maybe because of that, you may feel really sad or stressed. And maybe in this relationship, with this person you love, though you are trying to bring that understanding, you're doing things the right way, you're working really hard, you want a beautiful understanding between you both, but things are not happening as you have hoped for. Maybe this person is not understanding you, or you do not see that beautiful understanding in this relationship. So things are not going as you have expected. And maybe before I reveal to you what is happening, let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Page of Wands. So maybe you feel that you cannot trust this person. You lack that clear understanding. Maybe you may have some doubts on this person. But with these cards, I see this person is really faithful, loyal, and there is a good news that they are good, loyal. And there is also a bad news for you today, Sagittarius. Maybe you must be careful with your words, what you tell them. They may get hurt, maybe if you show your doubt or confusion in your words. They may take it badly and they may take a step back from this relationship. So you must be careful what you tell this person, what you talk to this person. So clear communication is lacking in this relationship. That may be the reason for troubles, I see. So there is a good news and bad news for you today, Sagittarius. And the good news being that this person is really loyal, and the bad news, you must be really careful with your words. Otherwise, things may go downhill in this relationship. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. The World. So there is going to be success and prosperity in each turn. Whatever choices you make, you're going to see good results, positive changes, positive turn of events. Something great taking you towards success and prosperity today. So that is the reading with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the all-encompassing hand. Such a beautiful card for you all today, guys. So with this card, the energy is that this is the hand of the divine that is reaching you today. And there is no limitation for the blessings it can bestow. And the troubles it can lift from you. And the tenderness it can communicate to you with that sacred touch. So all you need to do is allow that divine hand to reach you. Do not turn it away. Do not let your shame or mistakes or guilt or notions of independence keep you from accepting this blessing coming in your way in your life today. So this divine hand is here to wipe away the tears of the past. Maybe you are hurt, you are hurting, you are in a lot of pain, and this is a help coming to unravel the ties you have bound your hands with, preventing you from fully giving and receiving your worth. And this hand is here to help you. And the help this hand is going to give you is without limit. So you just need to accept this blessing coming in your life today, guys, for those who chose this card. And this oracle card also comes with a special message. Maybe you in your life, you are in a circumstance or in a situation and you feel that that circumstance is not resolving, or it is not, you are unable to solve the problems you are facing. And this oracle guidance comes with a reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of the divine hand of grace. So all can be solved and all can be resolved. So there is always a higher, better and a more beautiful outcome in your situation with that divine blessing. So that is what is the energy with this card, guys. So there is a blessing coming your way for those who chose this card, and divine help going to reach you today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what is the card. The Day Boy and the Night Girl. Balance. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, each and every one of us have that darkness and light in us, the good qualities and the bad ones. So, whatever it is, we need to find that balance. And we need to find that balance because only then we will be uh, becoming that whole person. So, sometimes we go through times when we are still or quiet, and we may walk unwatched. People may not see us. Sometimes there is light shining on us, bright light shining on us, bringing us into that radiant life. So we need to understand that this light and darkness is part of our life, and all the qualities we have, maybe some good qualities, bad qualities, whatever we have, that is what makes us our whole self. So we must embrace all those qualities, the masculine and feminine qualities within ourselves. And now is the time for us to work with our fears, whatever we have, and overcome it. And balance is needed for this true wholeness of our being. So we may have certain fears, certain inhibitions holding us back. Whatever it is, we must try to understand it and overcome it. And this card may also suggest that you are healing from a very bad childhood trauma, whatever you faced in your life, and there is a whole new world waiting for you. All you need to do is go out and reach out. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.